But
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
I'm a big fan of, you know, spontaneous speaking. You know, you have to speak spontaneously. That is the final level.
Yeah.
Could you sh could you share your roadmap to learn English? This is very general question. You know, imagine you go to a philosophy class and you ask the teacher or professor that, teacher, what is philosophy? You know, very general. You know, the roadmap, as I said, is be patient. There is no roadmap because it changes from person to person. You have to create or build your own roadmap. But the point is, you have to be patient. Do not, be shy. Don't be shy. Uh, do not afraid of making any mistakes. Okay. Be relaxed, guys, people. Tell this to everyone. If you are not relaxed, you are not yourself. Your potential, your ability dramatically drops. I don't know why. I don't know. Because stress is a killer. If you are stressed, what happens? Your potential, your ability, your capability dramatically drops. But if you are relaxed, what happens? You say, oh, I'm cool, no problem. I make a mistake. That's okay. No one is going to judge me. Even if they judge me, they judge me. You know, whoever you are, whatever you do, there is someone who is going to judge you. Why? Because we are human beings. Human beings means imperfection. We are not perfect. If you are not perfect, it means that you are vulnerable to make any mistake. Get it? So if you just overcome this as a language user, I don't want to say student, language user, what happens? Step by step, you see, oh my God, I'm okay with it. I just go forward. I make mistakes. Nobody, no one cares. Believe me, nobody cares. Maybe people care at that specific moment. 2 minutes later, they forget. They forget. Just leave it alone. Just forget it, man. Understand?